Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 17th of October, 2018. Hope you have a good trading week. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market and futures forum. Obviously an up day, finally, for the markets. Didn't quite make it back to that 10-day moving average yet, but it was an up day after a gap up. We'll look at that in a minute. Let's go through the major indices. Then we'll look at the intraday action. We'll talk about what's coming. Tomorrow is Wednesday of options expiration week. All right, so crude oil up 8 cents to 71.86, basically a blip. Gold down $2.80. S&P cash gains 59.13. Again, there was a gap up, and then we went higher. NASDAQ 100 gains back 207.76, puts us right on the 10-day. Again, a gap up and went higher there. SOX up 41.13. Biotech's up 149.69. The Russell 2000 gains 43 points. This is the first bounce day of this in a while. Been selling off for over a month. The VIX closes down 368 to 17.62. The trend closes low at 0.94. That leaves the 10-day moving average around the same number. NASDAQ volume was 2.5, almost 2.6 billion shares. Again, one of the lighter days. Remember, yesterday was really light out of the blue, but still, without yesterday, this is the lightest volume day of the last 2 weeks. So the up days are light, the down days are heavier on the volume. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 1846. That's a lot. It's one of the best advanced decline ratios in a while, but of course, a bounce day after the decline, not surprising. Number one advanced decline ratio of the year plus 2019 on the New York. You can see that highest of the year. Google gains $30.64. Apple up $4.79. Netflix gains 13.27. Amazon up 59.01, 59 a penny. Tesla up exactly $17, saving it from breaking down to new lows. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up 26 cents, not much there. Goldman Sachs up 6.48, big gain there. The Dow Jones was up over 500 points. Facebook up $5.26. So no breakdown yet on Tesla and Facebook in particular, which were near their lows and not looking pretty at all. In terms of what's coming out here, or let's take a look at the intraday action first. So here's a 5-minute chart again. Here's the S&P. You can see we gapped up. It wasn't a big deal. The first 30 minutes or so, we were still under the lows of Tuesday or of Monday, and then finally took out that, and then the rest of the day was just a push up. And the NASDAQ side gapped up. Pretty much the same story. About an hour in, we were actually heading into the gap to the downside, looked negative, and then that reversed, and we went up instead. We had a couple nice winners in both GILD for several points. Here's a look at that one. Got in at 73.90, and Facebook, another one, big winner, over 156.90. So a nice green day on the stock side. Tomorrow is Wednesday of expiration week, so we could have an options unraveling move if this wasn't it already, and that's a possibility that it was, which would be frightening on a Tuesday. But we'll check after the first hour's play. This looks exactly like, by the way, today's action looks exactly like what an options unraveling move should look like. So we'll see if that's already done for the week. That would be disappointing. Housing starts and building permits an hour before the bell. Crude oil inventory is an hour in. And then we're off to Thursday and Friday, which is is expiration itself. We'll see what we get. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.